So now let's try finding some areas where there are circles involved. This shape has half a circle at the top and half a circle taken away at the bottom. So in fact, I'm looking for another colour. In fact, if I take off this circle here and then put it in down here instead, I've actually got a very, very simple shape. It's just a rectangle. That's pretty easy. The area of a rectangle is just its length times its width. 17 times 12. And I'm going to need a calculator for that one. 17 times 12 is 204. 204 what? 204 square metres, because it's area. I had a metre times a metre, square metres. Look for those kinds of relationships because often they can make your job much easier. Okay. This one isn't going to be quite so easy, unfortunately. It's a small part of a circle. It's a sector. If it was a full circle, if it went all the way around, how would I work out its area? Well, the area of a circle comes from a particular formula, and unfortunately you just have to remember the formula. I'm going to write myself a note here first. Can't write today. If it's a whole circle, then the area would be pi radius squared. Put in what you know. Pi times the radius is 6. Calculator time. Remember, use the pi button on your calculator. Pi times 36. 113.09733355. Do I need all those digits? Well, I'm not sure. I'm using centimetres, so let's just make an arbitrary decision and round off to 2 decimal places. That's going to be 113 point. That digit's going to round up because this digit's more than 5. So it's actually going to be 0.10 square centimetres. But I don't have a whole circle. I've got 40 degrees of the circle. The whole circle would have been 360. So my area here, let's call it the sector area, A, is going to be this number, 113.10, times by 40 degrees out of 360 degrees. This is the fraction of a circle that I'm interested in, just that part. Okay? Now, if you've got this number in your calculator already, don't type it in again, because it'll be rounded off, it won't be exact. Take the number you had here and just press times on your calculator, and most calculators will multiply the previous answer by what you type in next. 40 over 360, which is 12.566. Again, I'm going to round off to 2 decimal places. 12 point, I'm going to round this one up, 57 square centimetres.